Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 27, 2017, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, really just one major number coming out, core durable goods coming out at 2:30 South African time. We also have weekly unemployment numbers coming in the U.S. simultaneously. I didn't see to add it because of what's been going on in the markets. And on that note, let's see what's been happening in the markets. It's been a lot happening in the markets. Let's look at what we're talking about. So I'm going to start here with the EURUSD like a rocket. Okay, it just seems like somebody wants to bring this back to 130. I mean, did I say that my target was 120 this year? It looks like it's going to hit even 125 this year. I mean, with the velocity and the proportion that we're going here, there's no reason for this to hold itself back. Now, we're trading at 117.47. That's 250 points above this breakout point. And in that point, this is free money, really. I mean, it's a little bit hard. If you remember the other day, it actually showed a red bar here. Let's see in a 4-hour chart. I mean, in a daily chart, we could see it. We had this red bar about right here, and we said, you know what, it looks like it's coming in. It's a little bit scary to short this because it's trending upwards, but it's really scary also to buy it. And sure enough, we're 100 points above it, and that's why it's so difficult with the trending market, is that it gives it a little bit of a breather and then just keeps on going. It doesn't really give you that opportunity to jump in with somewhat of a pullback, and it just seems like this velocity is just so much more in relative to the size. I mean, we've gone over 1,000 pips within a month and a half, so that's a major trending upwards momentum for the EURUSD. So again, my target for the end of the year is still 120. Okay, I might revise that as we see if we do close up that before the end of the summer, but the markets are strong. Okay, and this is really on the back of, let's look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is at its all-time highs. Yesterday, a few companies came out with earnings, stellar earnings, including Facebook. PayPal really did well. So the markets are doing well. The fundamentals are doing well. Everybody's been asking me. My brother yesterday asked me, when is the market going to correct itself? When do I need to sell? And I don't see really a catalyst at this point to really sell. Now, we may, one day have a flash flood of a correctional move, people booking their profits, and, you're down 300-400 points. But I don't think that the market's turning in a direction that we're going to be correcting itself when we're heading into a recession. I think the other way is true, is that we're going into a tremendous expansion right now. With the price of oil being deflated, with the new technology that's actually being developed internationally. Samsung came out with stellar news that it's got one of its best quarters ever. Apple keeps on showing itself with tremendous gains. These are really important factors in the expansion of an economy. Boeing, for example, also, which is a really old school kind of company, is really showed tremendous amount of growth. So, ultimately the fundamentals are very strong. And you see, every time we go down, we just seem to catch back up. Even in this little sell-off that we had the other day, boom, we took it up. Okay, now we're trading at 21,672. Now we're trading above the 500 level. This means that we could really go to 22,000. Okay, so I'm very bullish on this today. I'm very bullish on the EURUSD. Looking at the GBP USD as well, it caught up. It finally broke this. We had this nice sell-off into just about the 30, just about its moving average. We never crossed it, and that was a telltale sign to get into this on the upside. Okay, and sure enough, we took it up, and we're trading at 31.44 on the upside. Now, as well as the commodities have gotten stronger as well. 1263 on the gold. This is mostly due to inflationary worries. Okay, if the markets are going up, prices are going up, and then there's inflationary concerns. So, I'm not reading too much into this to why the gold is at 1264, 1265, went up 20 points over the past 2 days. We're trading above this 1260 level. We could sure enough close this gap between 1293 and 1263 if we continue in this momentum. It's also an upwards momentum. What I like about this is that, had you had the fortitude to buy this at 1213, 1212, you would have made a nice $60, $50 return right here within a month. Okay, and we spoke about this. So there's a lot of things that are, cycling in the markets that are being very, very healthy. JSE also got very strong. We called this into a short yesterday, but it broke it, and it's above this resistance level. Now it's above it with a candle, not just with a wick, and I'm getting a little bit more bullish on this on the upside. Now I'd ease into this because we failed it 3-4 times before, but keep an eye on this as this unfolds as well. Oil broke even higher, $48 a barrel, solidifying here. Supply getting diminished after yesterday's crude oil inventories number that came out. This was a great play yesterday as well. So lots of opportunities in the market, as you can see. Going back, very bullish on the EURUSD, the Dow Jones, oil and gold. Okay, everything seems to be going up higher, as well as the Aussie USD. Look at this, 80.51. Okay, we broke this resistance at 77, and boom, we just took it up. So the dollar is getting weaker across the board, and the markets are going up. That's a healthy sign. Okay, this is exactly what we want to be looking at. Looking at the USD CAD lastly, getting even stronger. Okay, we said this was at 25.21, finally broke this support level, and then we're trading even lower. So my next real support level is 119-ish level. Okay, let's see if we can continue going further down from here as the dollar gets weaker. So again, lots of things happening in the market. Got to be in it to win it. You got to just smell the stuff out. We finally got the confirmations. We finally got what we were looking for in order to take the market higher. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.